The Honeywell 70 Pint Energy Star Dehumidifier with built-in drain pump effectively removes moistures in large-size rooms and basements. This portable dehumidifier can hold up to 70 pints of water and can handle large-size rooms up to 4,000 square feet. The auto drain pump allows draining of condensation vertically or horizontally up to 15 feet. It also comes with a smart digital humidistat control that automatically activates based on preset room conditions. Other features include a washable dust filter with a clean filter alert, splash guards on the water tank, gliding wheels, continuous drain options, auto restart in the event of a power outage, 24-hour energy-saving timer, and digital control with Mirage display. For more information or to purchase this product, visit www.honeywellstore.com.